Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.
Need a little extra cushioning? Try a 5mm yoga mat from Gaiam. At 5mm, this mat is almost twice as thick as a standard yoga mat to give you extra cushioning for your elbows and knees. It's got a great tacky feel for non-slip performance, and it's latex-free. Available in a variety of solid colors and fashion prints, this mat comes with Gaiam's lifetime guarantee. You also get a free beginning yoga download, just what you need to get you started or keep you motivated at home. For added cushioning and comfort, try Gaiam's 5mm yoga mat.
Gaiam Essentials Fitness Mat and Carrier Sling is here to provide ultimate support for your practice. This extra thick classic yoga mat measures at 2/5 of an inch thick and is great for all types of fitness and exercise routines, including yoga, Pilates, or floor exercises where additional cushion and support is appreciated. Designed for use in the home or studio, it really is the ideal all-purpose fitness mat. The easy cinch carrying strap makes it easy to take on the go or store away neatly. Simply roll up the mat, pull the straps around on either end, and connect the hook and loop fasteners. Wherever you are on your fitness journey, look no further than the Gaiam Essentials Fitness Mat with Carrier Sling.